Ever wondered how trains safely move from one block section to another without collision? The secret lies in a small yet powerful system, the block proving axle counter. Now you can learn exactly how it works with Railway Academy's 2-hour free certificate course on single section block proving axle counter, a short, self-paced online module designed to strengthen your signaling basics. Who is this for? Signaling engineers, railway professionals, graduates, and freshers who want a practical introduction to train detection systems. What you will learn: the working principle of single section block proving axle counters, how they detect train movement and ensure track clearance, how these systems interface with block signaling logic and maintain safety, common reset logic and fault handling methods. What you will be able to do after: you will be able to explain how axle counters maintain block safety, interpret detection logic, and apply this knowledge to real railway signaling systems. It's free, concise, and value-packed, the perfect starting point to understand one of the most critical parts of railway signaling. Enroll today in the 2-hour free course on block proving axle counter and start building your signaling expertise with Railway Academy.